Hey guys, right here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use my AI Site Builder cloud-based software. Now, AI Site Builder is a system that's designed to help you create niche websites. So niche websites are a great way to make money. They're a great way to rank in Google. However, there is a bit of a problem with niche websites. In order for niche websites to be effective, you need to have a lot of content on your sites, and you also need to have multiple sites. When you're into niche websites, the more websites you have, the more money you're going to make. And quite frankly, creating all those websites is a ton of work, given that each website has to have plenty of unique content. Well, I created AI Site Builder to make niche websites for you. With AI Site Builder, you can have a ton of niche websites without needing to do any of that actual work yourself. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click on New Site, and it's going to ask me for three things. First, it's going to ask me for the site name. Now that's just for my reference only, so I can remember what this particular site is. I'm going to enter in how to be a DJ, because in this website, I'm going to teach people how to make money being a DJ and doing gigs as a DJ. And then for monetization, I'm going to link to some Amazon products that I can get an affiliate commission for if they pick them up. For my site topic, I'm going to go ahead and enter the same thing, how to be a DJ. Finally, it's going to ask me for the page count. This is the number of web pages I actually want to be on this site. So I have an option to choose between 3, 5, 7, or 10 pages on the site. I'm going to go ahead and select 5 pages just because I feel that that makes a good size site with enough content that's not too long-winded that it will bore people. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. AI is going to start doing its thing right here. I'll wait about 20 seconds. I actually got done in 10 seconds that time. And that's it. My site is now created. Now, if I go ahead and I click to edit the site, you can see the very first thing that the AI Site Builder did was create an outline for my site. So these are all the pages that it's going to create on my site. Now, you might notice that there's a red asterisk next to it, and that means the system did not yet write the content for those pages. However, I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is go ahead and wait. I can go watch a YouTube video, watch a movie, play chess, do whatever I want to do, and AI Site Builder will put these pages in the queue and automatically create those pages on my site for me. Now, if you don't want to wait for it to do it automatically, you can go ahead and click this button right here, and that will force AI Site Builder to create the pages immediately right now. And you can go ahead through the entire topic list and click each button and have it create each page immediately if you want to do that manually. But I'm lazy, I don't want to do that. I'm just going to let it create the pages automatically for me inside of the queue. Underneath the page list, you can see some options. You can select your background color for your website. You can select a background texture for your website. You can select a banner for your website. You can add in ad text links, add text colors, and you can add custom code if you want to have custom code on your site, such as opt-in form code or pop-up code. Now, AI Site Builder has already selected a background color and texture and banner for me, but of course you can go ahead and change this and customize it as you like. I'm going to wait for the system to build the site for me, and then I might change this if I want. The one thing I do want to do right now, though, is add in my ad text and my ad text link. And for this, I've entered click here to get a special discount on a starter DJ set, and I've entered in a link to an Amazon product. And again, you can use any type of monetization you want. For this particular case, though, I'm just using an Amazon product because it happens to match the topic of my site. I'll go ahead and click on Update Settings. And as you can see, actually, while I was doing that, AI has already written one of the articles. Now all I need to do is wait for AI to create the articles for me on my site, and it's completely done. While I'm waiting for it to do that, what I think I'll do is go back to my sites and I'll create some more websites. Let's get a few more done because, again, with niche websites, the more you have, the better. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New Site, and I'll enter in some new topics. For this website, I'm going to do a weight loss website. It's getting to be summertime. People are looking to lose weight, so I'm going to say how to lose weight quickly and easily for the summer. And I'm going to get a little crazy this time, and I'm going to make it a 7-page website. Let's go ahead and click on continue. AI will do its thing. And that's it. It's in the queue to build that website for me. No more work required on my part. Let's go ahead and build one more. For this particular case, I'm going to make a niche website based around how to make a living selling cupcakes. And I got that idea because a cupcake store just opened in my town and people are absolutely loving it. So let's go ahead and build a niche website to teach people how to do that. I'll go ahead and enter in how to make a living selling cupcakes as the site topic and click on continue. And again, that's all I need to do. Now, as I said, if I want to, I can go to the overview for all of these pages and I can force AI to build those pages right now and start writing those pages right now. But I don't want to do that. I'm lazy. I want the system to do everything for me automatically. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, go get some breakfast, and then I'll come back after AI has built all those pages for me automatically without me even needing to be here, and I'll show you how they look. Okay, so I just had a nice breakfast, had a cup of coffee and a bagel, and AI Site Builder built my sites for me. Let's go ahead and have a look at them and see how they came out. So we'll start with the How to Be a DJ one. I'll go ahead and click on View. And there is my website, completely built for me. I've got a nice layout, it's mobile responsive. I got my menu on the left-hand side here with all the links to all my content, and each page is full of content that I didn't have to write myself. And best of all, right up here, since I entered into monetization, is my call to action and my monetization. So if people click on that, they'll go over to Amazon, and if they pick up the product, I'll get a commission. Let's have a look at some of the other sites and see how they turned out. Let's check out the weight loss site. I'll go ahead and click on the view icon. And there we go, completely built for us. A beautiful mobile responsive site with a ton of content to be indexed by Google. Only we didn't have to do any of that actual work ourselves. Finally, let's check out the last one. I'm going to go ahead and have a look at the cupcake site. And once again, a beautifully built mobile responsive site with a ton of indexable content. Now, I didn't enter monetization on this site, but I could. I can enter in any monetization that I want, whether it be ClickBank, whether it be an Amazon product, an eBay product, even Google AdSense. I can add any monetization I want on here. The beauty of AI Site Builder is I can build niche sites without actually needing to do any of the work. I can build them super fast and they get created when I'm not even here. Thank you and enjoy.